Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. You will need to take off a case if you have one on your device. And the tray is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding. I'm going to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to now grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. I will be using one of each. There we go. From there, insert it back into your device. Come on. Now, if it's not going in easily, I would not recommend just kind of like forcing it in there. For some reason, this one just doesn't want to go at all. There we go. That should probably solve the problem. Hopefully. There we go. So the SD card was kind of protruding there. That's why it didn't want to go in. Anyway, once you insert both of your cards, they should start working right away, which I just saw a flash. There we go. So the SIM card is already working as it's prompting me to put in the SIM card pin. To unlock it, let's unlock the device itself. And we just got a notification about the Samsung SD card being detected as well. So both of the cards are working just fine and no extra steps needed. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.